Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Rupal ma'am, and I once again welcome you all in our maths class. So, children, let's quickly revise pre-number concepts and then we will do some activities. Children, today we will revise pre-number concept from our maths workbook. ओके आप भी अपनी मैथ्स वर्कबुक लेकर मेरे साथ पढ़ सकते हो। तो ये है पेज नंबर 15 फुल एम्प्टी द बास्केट इज फुल द बास्केट इज एम्प्टी यहाँ पर दो पॉपकॉर्न बकेट्स हैं। सो दिस वन इज फुल ऑफ पॉपकॉर्न and this one is empty. Now page number 17, left, right. On the left side we can see two kites, one empty bench and two balls. And on the right side there is an aeroplane. A grandfather and grandson are sitting on the bench and two birds. Let's see page number 19. Sit, stand. The man is sitting on the bench. Two children are sitting on the swings. The boy is sitting under the tree. The dog is sitting under the tree. The children are standing. The old lady is standing. The cow is standing. On page number 21, we have pre-number concept far, near. There is a blue car and a red car. Blue car is far from the tree and the red car is near the tree. बच्चों, वहाँ आपको एक घर दिखता है? Yes. So the girl is far from the house and the boy is near the house. Children, now it is activity time. This is the activity for the pre-number concept full, empty. See children, here I have two glasses. Now I will fill one glass with some yummy juice. See, it is half filled. ये आधा भरा है. Now I will add some more juice. Now it is full. So this glass is full of juice. अब ये ग्लास भरा हुआ है. And this glass is empty. ये ग्लास खाली है. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. Full, empty. Now let us do an activity for the pre-number concept sit, stand. There are two soft toys. This is a doll and this is a lion. Can you tell me who is sitting and who is standing? Yes, very good. Lion is sitting and the doll is standing. Sit, stand, sit, stand. Let us do an activity for the pre-number concept, left, right. Here on the left side, there are already some shapes given. Now let us stick the matching shapes on the right side and complete the activity. Let us take this first. With the help of some glue, we will stick it. तो ये बन गया सर्कल. Now we will take rectangle and stick it here. और ये अब दूसरा रेक्टेंगल लेके थोड़ा ग्लू लगा के हम इसे यहाँ स्टिक करेंगे. ऐसे. Now a triangle. Let's stick it here. Very good. ये देखो हमने हमारी एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट कर ली. Which two color can you see here? Black and white. तो लेफ्ट साइड पर हमें शेप स्टिक किए हुए रेडी दिए थे और हमने राइट साइड पर मैचिंग शेप्स लगाकर ये कंप्लीट कर दिया. Let's start the activity for the pre-number concept, far, near. Here I have two newspaper sheets. Now I will take one paper and crumple it with my hands. See, like this. Do it properly. It will also help your finger muscles to get stronger. Now take another paper and crumple it with your hands. Very good. So now we have made two paper balls. Right, children? This is a glass and there are two balls. So the small ball is far from the glass and the big ball is near the glass. Children, always show the object which are far away with your pointer finger. Far, near. Now it is time for the solution of the worksheet. In the first picture, you had to circle the box which is empty. In the second picture, you had to circle the ship which is near. In the third picture, you had to circle the girl who is sitting. And in the fourth picture, you had to circle the monkey showing his left hand. See, children, I have done my worksheet like this. Hope you all have done it correctly. So, children, keep practicing and keep learning more and more. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.